Welcome to Eaton TV. Today we're going to make some Mediterranean canapes with ham, olives, roast red capsicum, artichoke, cheese and Neapolitan sauce. So first of all we'll chop up around 200 grams of ham. We'll get that into a big bowl. We're going to mix about 100 grams or so of a Neapolitan sauce I made up. It's tomato, roasted capsicums, onions, basil, garlic. Simmer down into a nice sauce. You can add a bit of wine too if you want to make it really good. Then we're going to add about 200 grams of shredded tasty cheese. That'll help bind everything together when it melts and cooks. Alright, so what else we got here? Some olives, pitted Kalamata olives. Make sure you buy some reasonable quality ones. The cheap ones just taste like cardboard. Reminds me of that burger place, or a pizza place I should say. Okay, these are fairly nice olives, they're pitted. So we're going to chop them up. We've got about 150 grams in total. We'll dice them up and mix them with the other ingredients. I like leaving them a little bit chunky so you get the flavour as you bite onto the little savoury tartlet. These are a Mediterranean style savoury tartlet, but we'll just call them warm canapes for now, or easy recipes to make for canapes. Next on the list is roasted red capsicum. These are just in a jar obviously. They're much nicer when you get some fresh red capsicum and you roast them yourself. Make them all black over a nice flame or in a deep fryer. Then you place them into a bag and let them cool and sweat for a while, and then you can take all the skin off the outside of them. If you're interested in that, I can do a video on that for you. Just put a request down below and then subscribe so you get notified when that request is fulfilled. Okay, whoops. So we're going to mop up some of the oil here. There's a bit of oil there. Clean my knife up and so forth. Alright. Got some kitchen paper. We're going to squeeze some of the oil out of the capsicums, the marinade that they keep them in. That's why it's much nicer to do them yourself if you have the time. I don't really have the time today. I'm just whipping up some nice bar snacks. So we'll put that into the bowl. Next we're going to chop up artichokes. Got some artichokes here. We're going to give them a good chop up, mix them in with all the other ingredients. I'll put all the recipes into a recipe app on the website so you can change them to any amount that you like, and it automatically calculates the cost or a cost estimate for you, as I don't know how much you're paying for your food, so I can only supply you with an estimate, but it certainly helps. So we've got them all in the bowl. All up we need about 960 grams. We're going to mix it all up and make about 24 canapes, around 40 grams each. So to work all that out, I'll use a scoop that's number 24. We'll make up 24 pastry bases. Here's what all the mixes look like together. So we'll get the pastry bases organised and scoop everything into them. I've just got some shop bought puff pastry, works fine. If you'd like a lesson on how to make puff pastry, please subscribe and put a request in the comments and I can look at doing that for you. The quality of puff pastry you buy frozen these days is pretty good, and it's probably cheaper than if you made it yourself, so I don't know if it's really worth the trouble. Mind you, the stuff you make yourself tastes better and certainly puffs a lot higher. Okay, so I want to keep the pastry sheet still reasonably cold so that it stays firm, otherwise they go a bit soggy. I've got a little tool here I'm using to measure 1/3 of the pastry sheet, so I get 9 squares from each pastry sheet. I've got 3 sheets, that gives me 27 bases, but I only really need 24. We'll see how we go here in the long run. So we've marked them out. We're going to just start placing them in the muffin tray or canapes tray, depending on what you want to call it. Alright, so we'll put a little square in each one, giving them a good spray of oil. Then we'll get a little tool I've got here. I've just got an ice cream scoop, use that to push them down, fill up all their trays. It's not that difficult. Then we'll get our ice cream scoop. As I say, it's number 24, so it's 24 to the litre. I'm not sure what that is if you're using pints and so forth. The recipe calculator on the website will work that out for you though. Okay, so we'll fill up all our little puff pastry bases. And I was working on 24, so that is 24, and I've got a little bit left, and there you go. So if you can just add a little bit more to the mix, you can make 27. As I say, you can go to the recipe website, it'll work out most of those. Okay, so we've cooked them for about 20 minutes. We've just got a pair of tongs and a scoop. There's no waste. They worked out to about 65, 70 cents each. Again, I'll put that onto the recipe website so you can work out if you want to make 100. It'll work out the cost for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe.